Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. I'm Kevin McNew. It's Tuesday, October 11th. We had a mixed day in the markets with relatively quiet trade. Let's take a look at GrainEdge's trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn up 2 1/4, beans off 1, and Chicago wheat continuing to hold some gains after yesterday's big move, up 3. News today was pretty light. The USDA was back open for business and gave us some new export inspections numbers as well as new deals announced in corn. First, starting with corn, USDA's flash sales program announced a 165,000 metric ton deal to unknown destinations. There were no announcements, however, for soybeans. Other news out, export inspections came out. We'll talk about those in a minute. After the close here later today, we're going to see the harvest progress situation. Most traders are looking for about a 48% completion rate in harvest for soybeans and 38% in corn. Now, let's take a look at those export inspections, and they came in very strong for soybeans, coming in at 1.8 million metric tons versus 1 to 1.2 that was expected. Corn coming in sort of on the downside of expectations, but still a solid 1.1 million metric tons, and wheat coming in at 432, just at the low end of expectations, ranging from 400 to 600. Now, today's activity was pretty light because everyone is sort of waiting with bated breath, if you will, for tomorrow's crop production numbers and revised supply and demand estimates. So let's take a look at what traders are looking for in that report that's expected to be out at 11 o'clock Central Time tomorrow. These will be crucial in driving not only tomorrow's activity, but where we head from here. First of all, let's talk about corn. Most traders are looking for a slight reduction in corn yield, going to 173.5 versus 174.4. And in beans, they're looking for an increase in yield, going to 51.5 versus 50.6. So that's what we're shooting for tomorrow. If we see numbers that deviate quite substantially from those estimates, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the market move pretty sharply. On ending stocks or carryout, this is where you see some revisions here because of production numbers being revised. Traders look for a slightly lower corn carryout at 2,359 million bushels. Keep in mind that's still a very large number. So even though it's smaller than September's estimate, 2.3 billion bushels is a big carryout number to work off. In soybeans, we're supposed to, at least traders are expecting us to broach the 400 million bushel carryout mark. And in wheat, a slight revision higher because of the poor performance of feed use of wheat. Let's take a look at December corn action here. We're getting up into that range of 350 that sort of proved as overhead resistance here. On the daily grain hedge trading chart here, you can see, we got a bit of a bounce here today, up 2 to 3 cents, closing around 345. So 350 certainly puts us in the range for tomorrow, and with the crop report coming out, I wouldn't be surprised to see us get up into that range and maybe break through it if we get some positive numbers tomorrow. So keep that 350 mark in mind. I think it'll play a critical juncture depending on how that crop report plays out. That's all we've got for today on Grain TV. As always, if you'd like to learn more about how we can help you in your own grain marketing situation, by all means, visit us online at grainhedge.com and take a demo of our trading platform. As a GrainEdge trading client, you'll get our technical alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainhedge.com to become a client.